Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly special to talk about, the original Lenovo LP40 wireless headphones. These TWS Bluetooth earphones are a game changer when it comes to wireless audio, and I can't wait to tell you all about them. First of all, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up. Now, let's get into why these Lenovo LP40 wireless headphones are absolute must-haves. With touch control and a comfortable, secure fit, these earbuds are perfect for sports and exercise. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just getting through your daily routine, these headphones will stay put and keep you motivated with high-quality audio. But that's not all. These earphones are also compatible with both iOS and Android devices, so no matter what phone you're using, you can enjoy the seamless connection and crystal clear sound that these headphones offer. Plus, with their sleek and stylish design, you'll be turning heads everywhere you go. So, if you're ready to take your audio experience to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the original Lenovo LP40 wireless headphones. And the best part? You can find them at an incredible price by clicking the link in the description below. Don't settle for subpar audio, treat yourself to the quality and convenience of the Lenovo LP40 wireless headphones today. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.